Hello everyone and welcome to my new vlog. I'm gonna show you the house because I'm in it because we got the keys yesterday. So it's gonna be an empty house tour. Yeah, let's do it. The front door is behind me and we're gonna start walking. This is gonna be a door to the garage. Currently there is no door, there's a car door. Uh, there's a toilet here, a small toilet, stairs to go up. This is like a storage space that connects to the garage behind there. And here we have the living room slash dining room slash the kitchen, which for now is housing everything because I cleaned it last night, like the tops, the counters, and yeah, we actually have a place to put things on without having them dirty. And then this is the living room area and our beautiful garden. This will be beautiful at some point. I think they tried to sow grass, but it washed away. You can kind of see like patches. The terrace needs to be done. So yeah, this is the view of the kitchen. This is really nice. We have here kitchen island. That's like a half island, I guess. Here are cabinets on this side, fridge, freezer. I can show you, I guess, although I don't know how interesting that is. Fridge, there we go. Freezer, there we go. This is a cabinet that has shelves in it. So basically this will be the pantry, as the Americans would call it. So this is perfect. Oven, microwave. This is a drawer here. Look at my beautiful slippers. This is more shelves. Here up, everything's shelving. And it's with these push thingies that it's opened. There's a light right underneath here. Dishwasher. This is just like a cabinet that's empty, and this is trash cans. So yeah, yeah, and of course the sink area and my built-in cooktop, and it has like the suction thing for the air is built in. And of course on this side it's all drawers. These are like that. These bottom ones are deep drawers, and the top side ones, I have my trash bag on, are like double ones. So there's a button and you open it. And let's go upstairs. So stairs are wooden. We come up, hallway, same tiles as downstairs. Then we go into the master bedroom, which is quite spacious. Then we carry on to the bathroom, which still needs some work. I'm not going to get into the details now because too much talking. But you can see the shower is missing, like the doors are missing. The shower is installed. There are some tiles that are done wrong or not done, like that wall. But toilet, bathtub, big one, can fit 2 people. And here a double sink with lights in the cabinet. Beautiful. And there are also shelves here, and we also went for shelves here, taller ones, so we can charge our toothbrushes and actually a phone apparently, which is kind of cool. And these are also mirrored, so I can see myself, infinity of me, which is maybe a bit much. Going out of the bathroom, there is one bedroom right here. There we go. Stairs up to the attic, which is unfinished. I'm not gonna go up because these stairs are wooden and unprotected, and you can see already some, well, yeah, we walked in it as well. And we don't want to damage them actually, so I'm not going up there now. Vacuum cleaner, of course. It's working overtime. And the other bedroom, they are the same, but this one has a smaller window, basically. And yeah. So yeah, plenty of space, plenty of echo. I'm filming it now because literally within like probably any moment now, people are coming to place doors, but also delivery of the furniture. So I thought I'm gonna get it off, like, you know, get done with it. What am I saying? Whatever. Anyway, I might then paste it together with the furniture. Otherwise, you'll hear from me a little bit later.